Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on chance worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of chance, and we're just asked to answer these 8 questions. Now if you're not sure what to do or you don't know anything about this topic, on the next slide there is a link and you'll be directed to click on that link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of these examples. So let's have a look what's required. Number 1. What do you understand by the meaning of the word chance as it applies to events that occur in everyday life? So this is actually touched on in the lesson, so that'll help you to answer that one if you can't answer it now. Number 2, what is another name that is sometimes used for the word chance? Now this is also discussed in the lesson. It's quite straightforward. Number 3, write 4 sentences that show how the word chance might be used in real life. Now you'll probably be able to do that without actually going to the lesson, but just write 4 simple sentences or give 4 simple examples how this word is actually used in a real life situation. Number 4, now to illustrate how chance actually works, we have some examples using a coin. So a coin is probably one of the simplest examples we can use to demonstrate how chance works. And the question is, if a coin is tossed, what is the chance that a head will show up? So when the coin lands on the ground or the table or wherever, what's the chance or probability that the head will show up? Number 5, if a coin is tossed, what is the chance that a tail will show up? Number 6, these are other examples which show how chance work. Number 6, here we have a disc and there's an arrow attached to the middle so that we can spin this arrow. The arrow keeps spinning and then when it lands, it will land on one of those colours. So the question is, if we spin the arrow, what is the chance that it will land on the colour blue? That is, on this colour here. Number 7, if we spin the arrow, what is the chance that it will land on the colour yellow? This is a little bit more involved, so you have to look at it very carefully. And number 8, if we spin the arrow, what is the chance that it will land on an odd number? Now we know what an odd number is, and we know what numbers are involved here. So this video has introduced us to a worksheet where we are asked to answer some questions on the topic of chance, and there is a lesson on this topic, so if you need any help, on the next slide just click on the provided link and it will take you to the lesson and it will give you a clue as to how to do all these examples.